Hey everyone and welcome back. In the last video, we did the side quest, Water Rats, whereby rid a freshwater spring cave of bandit infestation. Yeah, and on the way back, we paid a visit to Bayek's old home, which is totally abandoned now, and we obtained Bayek's old sword and mm, his son's toy. Yeah, his son's toy. K Moose toy. Some statue of some god or something, and some few treasures also, trinkets and treasures. Yeah, and finally, we destroyed Ptolemy's human-sized statue uh, as a way of showing our protest against his rule. And here we are. Uh, yeah, right now we have made good progress. We are level 4, so Bayek is almost ready to take up the main quest, which is False Oracle, find and kill Medunamun. Yeah, so in this video we'll be doing some more side quests. Currently we have none, so uh, there are some we have identified on the map. There are 3 at least. Yeah, so we are going to do, I think, all of them. Yeah, we'll do all of them. They all have a bit of story in them, and they are all quite nice. Give some experience also. Yeah, we'll do them. But before that, we'll take a new ability for Bayek. I should have done this in the last video, actually. So okay, so of last time we took regeneration, and we got these 3 as new abilities that we can choose. Okay, so charge heavy attack. Hold shift plus mouse button 1 to charge your heavy attack. A fully charged heavy attack will shield break tower shields and knock enemies to the ground. Okay, so basically if an enemy is yeah hiding behind a shield, so this charge attack will yeah will knock the shield out to the ground and yeah, break the shield and knock him to the ground basically. Okay, so yeah, this will be helpful in one-on-one fights where yeah I can be in like bike can be in offensive, but the fights that we are going to fight upcoming fights are all in against numerically. Bayek is numerically disadvantaged most of the fights, so we'll be taking on multiple enemies, so he will be the one actually who is going to use his shield as defense. So not right now, I'll say. Yeah, maybe later. Okay, deflect and parry or deflect an incoming attack by tapping E while in shield mode to inflict critical damage and create an opening in the enemy's guard. Yeah, this is actually more useful, so because we are already in defensive, so yeah, we can do that parry stuff, and that will deal damage while defending. We're not even on the offense, so this is useful. I'm going to pick it, but not before I look at others. Air attack. You can perform an attack while in the air. Yeah, looks cool. Yeah, maybe useful. Well, I do the task of assassinating Medunamun, because yeah, we're going to climb the temple, and having this ability will give one more way of assassinating him, doing awesome air assassination. Yeah, but we are going to get one more ability point anyway, so right now I don't see a use, so we'll see others. Yeah, this we already checked out. Sleep darts was interesting. Also parry. Okay, sleep darts. Uh, yeah, we'll take sleep darts now. Uh, so we can put enemies to sleep and not take them out. So that will not alert other guards because they won't see the body. If they see these bodies, they'll be like they're not knocked out by someone. Just f- yeah, they're just fell unconscious for some reason, maybe heat, stroke, whatever. Yeah, yeah, this less suspicious form of taking down is what I meant to say. Okay. Oh, flesh decay. Uh, the next maybe uh, substance on a dead body to infect it and allow it to contaminate nearby enemies. Okay, this is some level of yeah, you're using what do you call um chemical chemicals. There's some word. Apothecary. No. Alchemy. Yeah, is going to infest a dead body with some poisonous substance, and that will decay or contaminate others. Crazy. Yeah, maybe later. So next one's definitely parry. Yeah, I'm going to take parry next, and or air attack. If I get two, then I'm going to get both. I'll decide one. If I get only one, which one later. Also, I should have read about this weapon yesterday. Uh, this is what we got from Bayek's home. Sana Khopesh. It's a type of sickle sword. Uh, Description: technical and deadly. This sword was used by Bayek's father to save a caravan in lost desert. Okay, so it's not only very close to him because it was his father's sword. Also, it is the best, one of the best, one of the two best weapons that he has. But yeah, we are going to equip this sword. It's not a sword per se; it's a sickle kind of a thing. Mostly, these weapons are developed as a way for farmers to be called in battle as militia. Like when numbers are less, the farmers are conscripted into battles, and they don't have weapons to equip the farmers, right? So they have enough weapons for their soldiers. So what farmers used were sickles. So eventually these sickles were how they developed was the farming also was possible, and also when times of war, when they were conscripted into defending their town or something, they could have used that sickle also as a fighting weapon. So this is how these weapons developed, sickle swords. So this actually looks like a sword, meant to be a sword itself. So it has all very deadly kind of edges. Yeah. So we'll see how it's actually in battle. Okay. Did I miss anything else? Okay, let's jump in. Let's first do this quest. It's nearby. Striking the anvil. Recommended level 3. Okay, first of all, we're going to take rest for the night. We'll approach the task in the morning. Okay. Let's refill. Okay, already full. Don't be rude. Watch for people. Don't run over them.
Here and there. Whoa.
Okay, actually this one's close by. I guess there's no road there. We'll have to go.
Disobey Medunamun, priest to the Pharaoh. Take care you faithfully follow his beneficent commands.
Yeah, this is like a market area. You can see all kinds of shops and services. But only interactable ones for Bayek are one.
Bayek! Al Magi, you're back.
Yeah. Only interactable to Bayek are a tailor and a blacksmith. Here, a tailor and blacksmith is going to maybe come later. There are also stables where we can get new mounts. Sell this camel and get another camel. Maybe that's faster and whatnot. Yeah. We're not going to do it. Don't go in, boy. That's his home. Okay, let's speak.
What happened to your blacksmith shop?
Those naked Yadet soldiers. Ptolemy's captain saw me making a sword and accused me of being a rebel.
He was not wrong.
They confiscated my tools.
Ah, bastards.
Yeah, this is better.
All of Siwa needs a blacksmith. Even me.
I cannot help you, Bayek. Not until I get my hammer and tongs back. And I have to get that ugly-ass Apap captain off my ass.
Is this captain with the tools somewhere I can find him?
At the foot of the hills west of here. Camp Shetje.
I will get those tools back, and I will take care of the captain. Benipe said the tools are in Camp Shetje. And the captain who is behind this, he's in Camp Shetje as well.
Okay, so what they're doing is they want to make sure no one else, no common these people will have any weapons, swords or anything. So they took the tools of this only blacksmithing. Maybe not only, but yeah, this guy was a blacksmith, so they took his tools, so he cannot make weapons for people. So no weapons, no threat. Okay, we are going to check this place, Camp Shed J. Where is that? Okay, let's read the quest actually first. Striking the enemy. Soldiers have confiscated the tools of Benipe, the village blacksmith, forcing him to close his shop. Bayek's friend Benipe could be useful in helping Bayek improve his weaponry. However, a garrison commander ordered all his tools confiscated, effectively closing his shop. Okay, find and get Benipe's tools. There are two objectives: find and get Benipe's tools. Also, find and kill the captain. So next time he doesn't do anything silly like this. Okay. So all the guards are not stationed in the temple of Amun there because it's a place of worship. They don't want to overcrowd it with soldiers, so they are camping at different locations in the town. So this is like one such camp. Okay, here. Okay, so I guess there are two objectives. One objective is to find and get his tools. I think the first objective is this one. The second objective is to kill the camp captain. This is the guy, I guess. So, yeah, as you guys have maybe predicted by now, I'm going to do this night time. We are not going to attempt this task daytime. Anytime you have to infiltrate a camp or any heavily militarily protected area, so it's always the best time to do is night time. Right now what we are going to do is scout the area, just make sure we know all the soldiers location and where they patrol. Oh, what are you doing? Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot everything. Yeah, this guy's level 3. Others are seem to be level 1. That's it. Only 5. Okay. Okay, you guys have to know. Why? What? Okay, this is like a signal lamp. If suppose I'm trying to infiltrate, right? So if I'm detected, the one of the guys will just go and light this lamp. So when they see this lamp, they can see this lamp from mm, other camps. Like when they see this light burning, it will be a huge fire. It will be a like a very big fire, and when they see this fire, they will send reinforcements. So uh, it will be pretty difficult at the time actually to escape or even complete the objective. Most of the time, I got caught before. Uh, I run away, and yeah, mostly out of the town even sometimes because they are relentless. They will not leave until they actually find you. Yeah. So okay. So there are some soldiers here. It's like just 5 to 6 soldiers, not much. Okay. 7 to 8. Though they are understaffed looks like, because every entrance there's only one guy standing. You can see in the temple of Amun there are 2 people every entrance because that's a place of more relevance. Yeah. So, but maybe they will. They're somewhere outside and they'll come back. I don't know. But right now I only see. Yeah, up to 8 or 10, and we are not going to get detected, so it doesn't matter. We're going to sneak up to this guy and take him out silently, and then grab that Benny Pace tools. Maybe it's his his blacksmith tools, and then get away from here. So we are now scouting a good point of entrance. So definitely not this. So this or either that or even this. So there's always a guy here. So we'll have to use Bayek's climbing ability to find some other route. Maybe you can climb here. Looks like there's no soldier here. Yeah, perfect. So we need to sneak till here. Can we go there actually? Off road. Yeah, we can go. It looks like so. We'll climb here. So I'm marking that place. Then will use the grass and the cover of night to sneak up to the captain. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So we'll speed up time.
Bayek, take care! Siwa is a dangerous place.
Thanks. He was not wrong. They're running him over. Poor guy. Siwa is a dangerous place. Camel instantaneously runs over him. Okay. Yeah, if you are wondering, there were no more tasks on the table. Actually, Hebzefa was supposed to uh, talk to all of them and bring it to here, but I think he's kind of being lazy now that Bayek is back. Yeah, he's taking his time off from being Magi. Yeah, so now Bayek has to go to the location himself and okay. Yeah, this was the location of Ptolemy's statue. Actually, I think I'll continue from foot here. I'll leave him here. I know he won't be staying here if I leave. See you tomorrow. Okay, what's happening here? Yeah, this is one of the things. Sorry, I don't know any way Back can give you money. Back has a lot of money. I think the game doesn't allow to donate money. Okay, this guy is. I'll take him down first.
Quickly, go.
Okay, what they do is they just anyone who is being nosy, uh, just come and harass them like this for no reason. Yeah, so stair. Okay. Location discovered, Camp Shed J. It is a restricted area. Looks like most of the soldiers are actually sleeping, so that makes it even easier. So I see only one, two, three, and four soldiers patrolling, and that too they are patrolling the outside. This guy is only alone
I should
roaming.
be cautious around here.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we'll be out of here in 2 minutes. It's oh, oh no! I think they also heard the whistle.
What?
This is not good.
That's for my friend.
Actually, I didn't kill him though. I just took him down. Kill him. I think I made too much noise. Everyone is up now. Okay, it will be a bit more challenging. Go to sleep, you idiots. I hope you won't notice. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we left another treasure. Just gold. I kind of wish they were sleeping though, because when yeah, in this tent if they're sleeping, yeah, I really had to sneak to loot the treasure. I kind of wish I was able to show you guys that. But okay, like they will be sleeping just here over the pillows, and I'll be like sneaking around and grabbing stuff from under their pillows. It'll be okay. Okay. We are going to take out that guy and enter this tent. Not there though. They will discover the body. We'll lure him here.
What the?
Yeah. Okay, they're all occupied.
Benipe's tools. That's
Okay.
everything.
Okay.
Benipe will be pleased to hear it.
Okay, we got Benipe's tools. One guy is coming actually. One guy is. Okay, he's not coming over here. Fine. We received some trinkets. We're going to look at them later. They're actually writing some letters, so we can read what they're writing. So, I think this was written by the captain. Urgent, dear Mutis, it is important that we keep our foothold in Siva, or else they will have our heads. I love you with all of my maybe heart. Okay. However, no amount of offerings or prayer can replace the will of a warrior. Through battle, we speak to the gods. That didn't make a lot of sense to me. I don't know who is Mutis. Maybe the captain of the other some other camp. Maybe, yeah. Maybe we'll come to know later. We'll remember that name, Mutis. Okay, you can see that guy is sleeping. Right? We can just do that. That looks cruel, but yeah, I just demonstrated. He's not dead though. He's alive, but unconscious. There is some more treasure here. We only killed the captain. Other guys we just took down. Okay, we received a rare trinket. It was definitely worth it coming here. Okay. I don't see anything else. That is just arrows on top of the tower, and they're also at the. I think they're just arrows. Or even if it's not, I'm not going to risk it. We are happy. We got enough treasures. We done our objective. We're going to take our exit from here. Yeah, from here. Yeah. This was the captain. Just to create a scene later. Yeah. Should send a message. Okay, going to return to him, but that is the next morning. Okay, right now just going to go home, call it a day.
Whoa.
Okay, they are torturing this guy. Yeah, they often do that. They bring people to this Ptolemy's statue, this place, and they will torture this guy so that other people can see and yeah, like kind of an example what happens if they start putting their nose in their business. This guy doesn't even notice, and he drops. Yeah, Bayek knows how to do where to hit to make people unconscious. Mostly around the neck area, he just gives an elbow thump. Don't try though. Don't try on your.
Bayek is back in Siwa.
Yeah, run. Tell that.
Whoa.
Ah, Bayek. Making progress?
Yeah. Okay. First, we're going to check out the items we got from that camp. Okay, we got a new heavy blade. Oh, it's a new type. A crescent axe. Average speed but powerful. Okay. This yeah, this pernicious. I don't know what that means. This pernicious weapon has a unique look. You don't say. Its creator was skilled and produced an efficient yet unrestrained weapon. Okay, so I don't know in what situations I should use. It says average speed but powerful. So we are getting a lot of power in our hits but not sacrificing speed. But I guess won't be as fast as normal sword or this. We yet to see this in action, but yeah, I'll tell you, this sword is very fast and a lot of damage. And also it has this ability, bleeding on hit. Even if after taking a hit, the enemy will not just the hit will drop them some health, but after taking the hit, they will continuously drop small amount of health because it will inflict bleeding damage. So yeah, so small amount of health is continuously reducing on the enemies. So yeah, if a low health enemy yeah, is yeah, if I have to like I'm in a fight with low health enemy and that is on a bleeding status, I don't have to fight him. I just have to wait, and he will gradually lose health and die. So that is what this will inflict. So that is a great ability on a weapon. So also we also got handy spear, which is just an upgrade on the existing spear. So the same thing, but previously we had level 9. Now we have level sorry, previously we had level 7. What am I saying? And now we got another level 9. So we're going to dismantle this. Okay, we got one cedar wood and one bronze. So if I remember, we are running low on wood, and we need wood to upgrade our bracer. That's the next thing we are going to upgrade. So we are going to do that right now. We will wait for soldiers convoys, and we are going to steal. But before that, we need to complete this quest. It says return to Benipe. We got his tools back and we killed the captain. And now we are going to return the tools to Benipe so that he can reopen his shop. Also, sorry, I forgot. We also got some trinkets. We're going to read them. I think now we're going to sell them in the market. Since we're heading to market, we're going to sell most of them. This is what we received today. Cat amulet. Yellow ones are very rare, the rarest. So yeah, 22 centuries ago. Oh, that's like 2000 years ago. The current time. The current time is actually 40 BC. Which 22 centuries ago is 2000 years BC. Long time back. Very long time back. 22 centuries ago, cats were the bee's knees. Cats were the bee's knees. Cats were the business. Okay, someone let me know if you know what it means in comments. Cats were the bee's knees. Okay. Yeah. This was all from before. We got leather bag. Recursion. I think this is also from before. Okay. We're going to sell all the blue items, and we're going to keep the rare items only. Because we don't have need for money, and we are also going to sell this ibex horns. So every time I killed an ibex, we received its horns. So we have killed 3 ibexes, so we have 3 pairs of horns. So or we'll keep it as a souvenir to identify which all animals we actually unfortunately had to kill. But I'll be only keeping one of them, so we'll sell 2 of them. And we have a bag of blacksmith's tools that we are going to return to Benipe. Okay, so when we unlock that sleep darts ability, we have 3 darts that we can actually I'll read it. Launch these darts to put lower ranked enemies or animals to sleep and move past them without being detected. I think that is basically what they wrote in the abilities part. Yeah, so we have 3 of them, and I don't know, maybe Benipe is only going to sell me these darts if I ever run out. Maybe we'll see. Awkward silence. Okay.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Whoa.
Hey, here is
How did it
Benipe.
go?
Here are your tools. That captain won't ever come back here.
At last, I can reopen my shop. Many thanks.
My pleasure.
I found these weapons I had hidden from the soldiers. Please, choose one for yourself.
What?
Choose one.
Free
They're all of equal
weapons.
value.
Okay. Am I going to pay for them?
That bow uses a special twine. It does not strike deep, but you can shoot very quickly.
Light bow. We'll look at everything.
That spear, sharp and long. You can keep back and still hurt your enemies.
I know. I got a spear.
It is not large, but that mace can crack a skull with the best of them.
Okay.
The shield is made with bronze and leather. Good protection. Some weapons bounce right off it.
Okay, so a shield, a mace, a spear, and a bow. So let's say we have. Okay, why did am I equipping this? Okay, we have good enough melee weapons. So what we lack is good range weapon. So we saw every time we try to take a enemy stealthily from with a bow, uh, single shot was not enough. Yeah, so maybe we need a better bow to make one shot kill. So we're going to choose that, or I'm also thinking maybe we can choose a shield, but we are also covered. We got a better shield. We have a Magi shield. Also, we have a better shield in as a backup, which is a level 3 shield actually, quality 10. So right now we lack a good bow, so we're going to choose that. I'll take the bow, but I'm not going to pay.
That bow uses a special twine. It does not strike deep, but you can shoot very quickly.
Okay, so it's a quick shot. It doesn't strike deep. It's not damage. There's no damage. Uh, wish they could tell us the level and the you know the quality of the weapons. Or just I have a spear. I have a mace. Okay, I'll take this. We'll see.
That bow uses a...
Thank you, my friend.
Come by my shop anytime, Bayek.
Okay, let's check this out first. Okay, actually it's a different kind of bow altogether. It's a hunter bow and this is rare light bow, bitter bow. This bow's arrows bring a devious end to an honorable battle. Okay, it has a rate of fire ability, faster rate of fire and combo multiplier. I don't know. I'll practice and see what is this. It looks better, so I'll right away equip this. So damage 98 per second, so better damage. So anyway, yeah, we'll keep this. Benipe, I have some things to sell.
Take a
Are you
look around,
interested?
my friend.
Yeah, we can sell. We can sell items. We can. Okay. You want all this? You want this? You want to sell blue stuff? Yeah. Okay.
You
Okay.
find such interesting things, Bayek.
Yeah. I go to interesting places.
Sold.
Okay. Butcher's cleaver. I have to. Okay, it's a common item. So.
Very well, my friend.
Okay, sell to salt
I will take that off your hands.
and sell animal flesh also.
You find such interesting things, Bayek.
And we're going to sell 2 ibex horns. I know what this guy will make use of for make use of this for.
I will take that off your hands.
Okay. We
Goodbye,
have
my friend.
just checking inventory. Okay, we are good. We sold what we wanted. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Does he offer anything else?
Greetings, Senny.
What does he have? Okay, he has a sickle sword. Quantity level 4. Okay, 500. Very expensive. Scepter level 5. Warrior bow. Damage 177. This Assyrian bow was quite useful in battle at Tiltuba for foot arrows. Okay, multiple arrows. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it is going to shoot 3 or 4 arrows at a time. 3 arrows it looks like at a time. Okay, you have good stuff, but you charge way too
Anytime I
much.
can help, I'm here. I have some new goods,
Buy,
Bayek.
sell,
You
refill.
might be interested.
Upgrade also, okay, we can upgrade. Oh, upgrade for 250, 240, 270. No. You do anything for 10
Always
bucks.
good to see you, Bayek.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. the last thing we'll do is steal a resource convoy. Uh, Hopefully wood. Alone wood. We want wood. For that we need night time. Okay.
Yes. I helped him get his shop back in order.
Where are you? Okay.
You are getting ready, I see. Well done, Senor. You could visit the military camps, but take care.
Okay. I just been to a military camp. Can you find me wood? Okay, there is wood. Okay, but they almost reached the temple. Now I won't be able to intercept. So they are here and they're coming mostly from here. So we'll go there and we'll wait for some convoys. You can just okay, road looks empty, so we can just tell him to follow road. Don't hit him. Don't go running into him. Okay, there's another resource coming, but it's bronze. No, this is not bronze, iron and wood. So we are going to steal wood. Perfect timing.
Clear the way.
Where is wood? Okay, this guy. Okay.
Watch out, coming through.
We'll do is
Wait a sec. Stay with me.
Shield me, brothers! I must not fail!
okay. So they are.
Shield me, brothers! I must not fail!
What? Oh, this is going terrible. Fine,
Me, brothers! I must not
fine, fine. Now I'm to bring you as death. Wait. Gear. The best use of spears are here. Okay, that guy will run away. That guy will run away. That guy will run away. I'll get better at this. I'm finding it so difficult to fight from horseback or camelback.
I must not fail!
Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa. Sorry, you had to see that. Okay, here Bayek won't die. It'll desynchronize. What that means is, okay, so you guys remember the animus? Yeah, in the animus, that person who is reliving Bayek's life has done something wrong. Something wrong, as in something that hasn't happened. So Bayek never died at this age, but in her reliving part, he died. So that didn't synchronize, and immediately the program crashed. The Animus program crashed, and it will say, okay, this didn't happen, and it will restore to the last stable memory where it was synchronization. Yeah, so that never happened in Bayek's real life, so it cannot happen now. So that is how they make sure Bayek has multiple lives, sort of. So yeah, shamelessly he can die multiple times. But All right, that was a failed attempt, horrible attempt. Maybe I'll practice offline how to fight on camelback. But you guys have to sympathize with me. That was 8 or 9 guys on camelback and somewhere on ground shooting arrows from behind. That was too much to take. Maybe I didn't plan it well. Yeah, next time we'll do.
Hurry!
Yeah, look at them. Just minding my own business on the side of the road. Didn't have to yell at me like that. Okay, so next time I'll definitely be successful at looting them. All right, so we're going to wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll continue next time. Thank you for watching.